2015 KLR 650. This thing's got cold starting issues. It's had cold starting issues for a long time. Tried doing the choke on the handlebar when we bought it and only moved halfway. I got it to move full now. That's not the issue though. Underneath your tank, you have a carburetor choke adjustment. It's basically sitting right here. There's a little thing you got to undo, adjust your choke. That's not the issue. The issue is on the cold starts, the 650 KLR, this one anyway, 2015, is the carburetor right here. You got the choke that comes into the side of the carburetor on the opposite side of where I'm showing you here. It's on the opposite side. Where that choke connection makes it onto the side of the carburetor, it threads in. And it only threads in about 5 or 6 turns. And once it's snugged up, ours was loose and you could see the side of the inside the cable and the spring. I'm pretty sure that that would allow air into the carburetor system, which would allow it to not have cold start. It wouldn't start in the cold. I fixed that where it connects to the side of the carburetor. You have to screw it in about 5 turns and that'll close that gap up and not allowing air to get in there, I think anyway, I'm pretty sure. But as soon as I did that on this KLR 650 2015, that issue, cold starting issue, was gone. I'm pretty sure that if you guys are having cold starting issues on the 650 KLR, check that connection on your carburetor. All you got to do is pull the tank, your front shrouds, the seat, and your 2 side covers. Once that is removed, on the opposite side of the bike, on that side of the carburetor, you can't see it in there, but there's a cable that goes to that side of that carburetor up there, and it comes loose. So if you tighten that up, I'll guarantee you, personally guarantee you, that that will fix your cold starting issues. Okay, I hope that helped. Hope that works good. Yeah, otherwise that's the only issue with the bike. And it starts every single time out in the snowbank, -10 with the choke, no issues. And I did want to point out to the KLR 650, I did notice since we've owned it for about a month now, it always has a hard time starting when it's cold. We always got to use a choke. Once the bike warms up, then it'll start usually without the choke. But if it's a little bit cold, these 650s, big bore motor, always need the choke to be applied for starting. Yeah, like and subscribe. That's the problem with the old bike. Otherwise, she runs great. No more starting issues. Thanks again for watching. Bye-bye.